Hey, I'm Chantel. Welcome to the Chantel Fashion Blog. Learn about sewing, have fun with creating your own fashion. It's about embracing the imperfections in fashion. My love for sewing began when I was about 10 years old. The first time I learned to sew was with my grandmother. Every day she made chocolate cookies and fresh orange juice with bits and pulp in it for our evening tea after school, when she collected me and took me home. During this time, I would sit in the living room, watch TV, and practice hand sewing cushions, repairing hems, pockets, sleeves. I learned a lot of techniques and had a lot of fun while learning. I practiced every single day after school and on weekends. I was fixated by it. I failed sometimes, but I wasn't afraid of failing because I enjoyed myself. And this is what I want you to do, is to enjoy yourself. And then that inspired me to study fashion design, and I graduated with a BA Hons in fashion design at university. My sewing tutorials are designed for home sewers who are looking for sewing projects that are fashionable and simple. So if you enjoy everything sewing and fashion related, sign up now and receive free sewing tutorials and sewing patterns. It's as simple as entering your email here, and you will enjoy lots of great free, amazing and new sewing projects sent to your inbox.